The Art of Woodworking, A Journey with Chisels. Prologue, The Quiet Corners of Woodworking. In the quiet corners of woodworking, where the scent of fresh timber fills the air, lies the secret of precision artistry. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the world of woodworking with chisels, a craft that transforms raw wood into exquisite art. The chisel, a tool of precision. At the heart of woodworking precision lies the chisel. This simple yet powerful tool, with its sharp edge and sturdy handle, is the artist's brush on the canvas of wood. But how does one harness its full potential? Preparation, the foundation of precision. Every masterpiece begins with preparation. Carefully select your chisel, ensuring it's sharp and ready for action. A well-maintained tool is the first step towards precision. Remember, a sharp chisel not only cuts better but also with less effort. Marking the wood, the roadmap. Precision starts with a plan. Use a ruler or marking gauge to draw clear, straight lines on the wood. This is your roadmap, guiding your journey through the wood. Remember, the more accurate your markings, the more precise your cuts will be. Holding the chisel, the art of control. Hold your chisel with confidence, but not too tightly. A firm grip ensures control, while allowing for the flexibility needed for precise cuts. Remember, the chisel is an extension of your hand, and mastering its use is key to your success. The art of cutting, precision in action. Begin your cut with gentle taps, letting the chisel do the work. As you gain confidence, increase the force, but always keep the line straight. Patience is your ally. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Finishing touches, the final flourish. After the cut, it's time for the finishing touches. Smooth out any rough edges with a file or honing stone. This final step ensures a flawless finish and a polished look that speaks to your dedication and skill. The journey continues, mastery through practice. Like any journey, mastering the chisel is a process of continuous learning and practice. Each cut, each detail, brings you closer to perfection. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every project is a step towards mastery. Conclusion, the reward of precision. With patience and dedication, your journey with the chisel will lead to creations that stand as testaments to your skill and passion for woodworking.